It's a cold January the 27th, 2026, and we're over on the Eastern Bypass at the new Percy Julian High School under construction. These photographs are renderings of the new facility and are courtesy of the Doster Construction website. I do a complete 360, so sit back and relax and enjoy the video. Basically, we're across from Lagoon Park on the Eastern Bypass. Here we are looking south on the Eastern Bypass down towards Sam's and the interstate. It's going to be quite the high school, brand new from Montgomery, Alabama. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button as well. It really helps out the channel. Thank you so much for watching.